In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami pyramid. And, yep, it looks pretty nice inside, and it does stand. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. And unfold, and fold in half this way. Okay, unfold, and let's make a kite base. So fold this edge to the middle. And repeat. Okay, and now take this flap and fold it up like this. And unfold, and now open the flaps, refold it like this, and there we go. Okay, and now take this edge and fold it to the middle, and we're folding right on that existing crease. Alright, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now we're going to do is we're going to mount fold along this edge. So mount and fold it like this. Okay. Crease that sharp, and repeat on this side. Okay, like this. Alright, and now turn over like this. And now comes the tricky step. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this interior flap, and we're going to fold it like this, and what we're going to try and do is we're going to stick it inside of this pocket here. So take that interior flap and tuck it into that pocket like that. Alright? There. That was a tricky move. I hope you guys were able to do that. If you weren't able to do that, well, you got another try on this side. So here we go. So I'll show you again. So it's like this, and we take this interior flap, and we have to try and stick it into this, so that there's the raw edge right there. Stick it into that pocket like that. And this is tricky. This is the hardest step of the whole model. It's also like a little game too, where you have to get it in there. There we go, I think I got it. There, and then reclose it like that. Okay. There. So that was tricky. Hope we were able to do that. Okay, like this. And now, what we're going to do is, we're going to take this edge, or no, sorry, this flap, and fold it right over this edge. Like this. Alright, fold all the way across, unfold, and repeat on this side. Fold it over that edge. And make sure the edges align right here too. Okay, and now, I don't really think it matters which side. I'm going to just do it like this. Take this point and fold it down to this point. Like this. And the fold should align with this edge. If it doesn't, just shorten it however you can, like this. We're just shortening the flap so we can stick it inside. So make sure it aligns with this edge, or you can go lower if you want. Okay, now unfold and stick this flap inside of the pocket. And this is an optional step, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. But this is just to make it a little bit cleaner. So take this flap, unfold it, unfold this flap, erase the crease with your fingernail, and then refold the flap on the existing crease. Like this. And then you can refold this and tuck it inside. That way you don't have any extra flaps inside the pyramid. And then you can go in and open it up. And be careful so you don't rip it. Just like that. Like that. Okay. And now at this point, let's put your finger inside. Like this, all the way inside. I want to make sure no flaps are... There is a chance it might rip a little bit in there, but it's fine. And we're just going to just flatten the pyramid like this, the other direction. Don't worry about what's going on the inside. That's the inside. It doesn't really matter. If it rips a little bit, it's okay. Alright, like that. And now, take this flap and fold it inside. And make that nice and sharp, too. Okay, like that. And now just kind of just exercise it. Alright, and once you did that, there is your pyramid done. So yeah, it's a nice model. I'm not going to say it's an action model, but it looks really cool though. Maybe you can make another one. You can stack them on top of each other, like this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And alright, well, hope you guys were able to make this, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.